Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi.
And my name is Kennedy.
And let's dream about beauty. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm. Yay!
My favorite.
So this was just picked up from the post office. It's still a little
Not
bit
even
damp
opened.
in the rain. Hasn't been opened yet, so we will be as surprised as you to see what's inside.
I have no clue what is in this.
I don't either.
So I can open it. Ah! Wow. Okay, so first we have some makeup remover wipes, AM Dead Sea Minerals, and vitamin C serum.
Ooh.
It's good to have some makeup remover wipes.
Makeup removes even waterproof mascara from I Am Beauty Care.
Next, we have Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. This is such a pretty color.
That is beautiful.
Wow.
It's a Glam Glow mask.
Oh, Glam Glow. Next, we have Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar.
Shampoo bar.
Just want to smell it. Ooh. Smells very nice.
Mmm.
Very like kind of herby, kind of.
Shower the world with love. Cool.
Ooh. Next we have Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer.
Ooh.
It's very pretty.
I could use a new eyeshadow primer.
I don't use those. Next we have Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. Nice black. Ooh. Very nice.
Oh, that looks nice.
Cool neutrals.
Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. Cool.
And that's it.
And that's everything that's in the Boxycharm palette. Or sorry, the Boxycharm box. This is the base box. And if you stay tuned, in a day or so, or maybe Monday, we will be unboxing the premium box.
Ooh.
It was supposed to be at the post office, at the mailbox today, but
Wasn't there.
it wasn't there. So anyhow, just to recap, we got makeup wipes,
Glam Glow Mask,
a shampoo bar,
an eyeshadow palette,
and eyeshadow primer by Pretty Vulgar.
woo!
Woo! High five. All right. So, time is our most precious resource, and when you spend a little bit of your time with
Us.
we really appreciate it. I hope wherever in the world you are,
Happy.
healthy, and what? I hope wherever in the world you are that you're well
Happy.
and healthy.
And just vibing.
Vibing. Thank you so much for coming by to check out our content. Please consider liking, activating the notification bell,
Subscribing.
subscribing.
Comment down below.
Yes. Oh, I like how you did that.
Thank you.
All right. That's it from us for today. Bye.
Toodles.
I like how you do that. You're a natural.
Ugh.
You're so good at this.
It's from all my watching of YouTube throughout the years.
You're gonna eat your pizza now?